Hi everyone, welcome to English 124, Intro to Mass Media Design. I am your teacher for the class. My name is Professor Scordia, and I'm very much looking forward to working with all of you in this class. This is an intro class, so I don't expect anyone to be an expert. I'm not an expert in graphic design. I can fully admit that with no embarrassment. It's not my area of expertise. I've learned a lot about design, basic design principles, and I'm passing that knowledge on to students. But I must say this is very much a hands-on class, and you really learn. You do the learning. So not so much necessarily that I, as the teacher, have a lot of tricks and tips and things like that. But it's very much a trial and error process. Design what works, what doesn't work to make an appealing and effective visual design. So yeah, this semester, like I said, we're going to go over design basics. You're going to be creating your own designs, either using Microsoft Word, possibly some of the Adobe software, either Illustrator or InDesign if you're familiar with those. And I think folks might know Canva, which is a free website that has a whole host of templates for designing a range of media. So the next 15 weeks, have an open mind. Know that you're going to make mistakes. Your designs might not look amazing. That's okay. No one here is a professional, and that's not the goal of the class, to become a professional. It's just to get some exposure to design. And most of you are probably towards the end of your career here at CCP as well. I'll just kind of add that. It's usually, everyone in the class is usually a mass media or comm major, which makes sense. And I've taught the class for years. I teach it in person, I teach it online, and I really enjoy it. So hopefully you do too. The last thing I'll just add is that, obviously the country is still dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic, which adds a layer of stress and anxiety to our lives. And we're also dealing with political unrest, that has not come to an end in this country. So I understand that, this is only one part of your life. Being a student, being in this class is one small part of your life. You have family, you have other jobs, you have responsibilities, and you exist as a person in the world who's worried and anxious about some of these things that are part of our daily lives. So I will do my best, I vow, to do my best to make this a safe place for everyone, a space where you can come and if you want to kind of forget about some of the things happening, in the world, or if you want to reach out to me, I'm happy to talk to anyone about anything at any time. I consider it a real privilege and honor to be a teacher, particularly to be a teacher here at CCP. I've been at the college, since 2008. I've been a member of the faculty, and I've worked with many students, and again, I'm really humbled by that. It's an honor and a privilege to work with students. So please don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions about the course, if you have questions about other things in the college, or if you're just want to talk, if you're having a tough time. I'm here. So I'm very much looking forward to learning who you all are, to working with you in the weeks ahead, and I'll see you all soon. I do have office hours Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, so they're never required. They're just drop in. So if you want to come by, if you're seeing this on Tuesday, which is the first day of the semester, and you want to come by to my office hours tomorrow, maybe I'll see you there. If not, that's totally okay. And I look forward to working with everyone. All right, take care.